Since 1951, Snyder Manufacturing has provided the highest quality laminated fabrics, extruded films, and coated mesh for industry-leading applications nationwide. To finalize production of your coated mesh product, raw knitted scrim is dipped into pigmented PVC in the coater. Rolls of scrim are drawn into the coater, where they are saturated with pigmented PVC and infused into the scrim, then passed through a heat drum for curing. Once a master roll of PVC mesh is collected, it is taken to the slitting and breakdown machines, where it receives a quality assurance inspection and is cut to your specified roll size. We offer coated mesh products in standard sizes, weights, and colors, but they can also be customized to your specific needs if you meet a minimum order quantity. Choose any width up to a maximum of 76 inches. For colors, you can pick from our standard library, or our in-house lab will create a custom color match just for you. Contact a representative today to see how Snyder Manufacturing can best serve you.